Hi, here is the Fujifilm Silvi 125, also call it as Fuji Zoomdate 125S. Overall conditions. Okay, and here. Okay, the bottom part of here is the battery compartment. Using one CR1238 battery, we just put accordingly like that. Next thing, by pulling here up to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Lens is clean and clear. And about the film, we need to put at this compartment. While when we want to put it, we need to like slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have it into the center point of the film. Okay, push it in like that and push it in. Put the film tip to here and make sure that your film is flat like this. And we just close it and it will auto load. If we load to the max, then only it should like backward lah, because normal camera might load to number 1, then we should until it finish, it will auto rewind. This one is like slightly different, it's like opposite side. Yeah. Okay, like this means 36 picture left. So now we click the power button to on it. This red color is the power button. Yeah. And here's the zoom in, zoom out. Here's the shutter, and here's the viewfinder. When we look into the viewfinder, we'll find out at the center point here, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim whatever we want to focus and half press it. Okay, if it blinking like this, just now the blinking like this, which means that it can't focus. So maybe we aim far a bit. Yeah, okay, like that means that it's okay. Then we just click it. So every time you want to shoot, you just like half press it. Okay, if it doesn't blink, click it. The flash is auto, so it will according to the environment to see whether you want to trigger the flash or not. Okay, here is the flash button. Well, now it's fully auto and you can adjust it. This one is like red light reduction. It will like blink for a few times before shoot like this. Yeah. Okay, but honestly to say, it doesn't have make any big difference lah. Okay, then this one is force flash, like this is off. This one is landscape and night mode. Night mode, it will trigger the flash while the shutter speed will be slow. So if you shake it, then the outcome will be blur lah. Okay, and like this means it's auto. Then this is the timer, like 1, 2, 3 timer, and this one is the remote, but it doesn't come with the remote, so yeah, just ignore it. About the timer, also same. Aim to the object, half press it, wait for it to focus. If it didn't focus, you click, also can shoot. Just if it might have a high chances that it will out of focus. Yeah, it will have this light up means that it start counting. Bling like this means it's almost there. Okay, then the overall is like this, and here is the date function. Okay, you can adjust. This one is the year, month, date format lah, the date imprinting. And click again. This one is the month, now it's July. Click again. Wait, this one is the date, 15. Then here's the time. Click again. Almost there. Then again, 52. Then it's done. Okay, if you don't want the date imprinting like this, then you just click. This side like different format lah. Like this means it's off. And if you want to adjust it, click for a while and it will start blinking. Yeah, then only we start adjust it lah. Okay, so the overall is like this, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using.